Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Master Salman. My full name is Salman Abdurrashid Guled. I'm come Bangladesh for education purpose. I'm studying University of South Asia. I come to here to increase my skill. I'm graduate here so many courses, skills, real skills in the marketing. I'm studying here for CCTV installation, hardware and software for mobile replacement. I study here AKMAL'S study for especially for hardware and software mobile fixed. So I hope it is something it can help me in my future also, inshallah. I need to work there. When I need to go back in my home, inshallah I hope to work there in this skill in my future, but that's it.